right, we're moving on over to here, and this is the other piece by the tail panel. And we're going to go ahead and weld in the pipe as well. The only difference is this is already kind of welded onto the brace that I'm making for it. So I'm not going to take this off because it's already lined up for the bolts to go through into the tail panel. So I didn't know that before. I knew about the structural integrity issue with this piece normally. So we're going to go ahead and weld that up, drill the holes, weld it up, and weld this whole thing. So I'm going to get started, and I'll let you know when I'm done. All right, the apparatus is done for the rear. I went ahead and put it in the engine stand. It's going to rotate fine. I have to cut the neck. I call it the neck. The neck right here, put the 4x4 stock over it and raise it up so it'll clear the car, because this obviously is not going to clear it when it rotates. So I have to raise it up far enough to clear that. And I went ahead and put some braces down here. Add for structural integrity around the joints, and right there is a hole for the shackle. It's going to hook into the shackle. I'm not going to be able to put it on right now, but I want to move on to the next. It's been a while since I posted. I had a lot of stuff going on in the last month, so you know, Christmas and all that. My welder broke. I had to get a new welder. It was terrible. Cats need braces, you know, whatever. But the next step is going to make the apparatus for the front of the car. And one big question I have in my mind is, where am I going to put it so the car rotates evenly based on the weight that I can just estimate? Guesstimate. And where am I going to put it? Because up front is very thin metal. So I got to figure that out. A lot to think about. But that's the next step. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Go ahead and make a comment. See something that I can improve on, let me know. But I'll see you guys later.